click on create voucher and select sales. Here you can choose the customer type, either credit or cash. If the customer is credit, first you have to create the address. So you can go to home, you can go to address book, then create the company. You can put his national address. Here I mentioned English, Arabic name. These certain things are mandatory in Saudi context, so you can add all the information. And if you choose the customer credit, means it will create a ledger for that customer, so you get a statement. So if the customer is cash, means there won't be any ledger. The transaction will be recorded under cash ledger only. Cash address, no need to go address book and create. You can go directly create voucher sales. Directly you can select cash and you can type the company name. If company exists, it will populate like this. You choose, it will automatically fill the information. If the customer is new, you can type the details. For the cash customer don't have any ledger. Credit customer means it's recorded under ledger and you get a statement. So if you enter a creditor, it will show you the balance, and here you can put the reference. Delivery note, if you have, just type it, and if it is date you want to put, you just plain, you can type the date. If you wish, you can any information you can fill. And here invoice due date, and other details if you wish you can put, like if you have a cost center you can enter, and if you have project details you can enter here. So it's an inventory, you type here. First you have to create the inventory, then need to add purchase, then it will come here. So if it is a service, just remove this row, add, click on add ledger row. If this information you type previously, it will automatically listed, so you can choose. And other things you can add here, like your terms of delivery. You can separate by semicolon, so it will be printed in separate lines. Same way you can add the payment terms also. Once you add, it will automatically pop up. Once you type 2 letter, it will pop up. You can select next time. Only one time you need to add this information. Click on submit, so it will generate the draft. So if you want to generate straight away generate the invoice, just click on green button, then this sequence number will change. Now this is a temporary number will change to original invoice sequence. Else you can just click on go home, and later stage if you wish you can download it. So you go to reports, draft, you will find it there. Here, this is the draft. You can click on the edit button. This is to view only. Click edit, it will go in the edit mode. So now if you want to send this information to customer for approval, just click on PDF. So it will download the draft. This you can send to customer. Once he approve, you can generate the invoice. Maybe after the generation of the invoice, maybe customer ask you discount or something. So that time you cannot edit the invoices once you generate it. So the easiest way, send a draft to the customer. Once he say go ahead, then you can generate it. So this draft, if you want to generate, what you will do, you go here, you can go to reports, draft, click draft folder. Here you will find edit button, just click, and modify whatever you like, modify it. Then just click on submit. So it will again make a preview. Again you save, it will be under the draft. Each time it will be saved in the draft. So if you click a green button, it will be generated. So directly you click a green button, then press the PDF. You will find the PDF button here. Click it. So it will be downloaded like this. So once you generate invoice, you can process the payment also. Go here, home, reports, vouchers, local sales. If you want to again download also, you go here. Okay. Then click on the voucher number and you can download here voucher number. Then you can press download PDF. So it will be downloaded again. Here you can process the payment. Now we have pending 2,300. So pending, if you click pending, then type the how you are going to receive the money, either cash or bank, and the amount. If it's a part payment, just put the amount and the voucher date, the receipt date. So again go here, you will find the remaining 1,300. Again you click pending, and the remaining, maybe the customer pay by cash, so just click. Now this is closed, received, completed, received. So to have a statement, you can directly click here, you can get a statement. There is a PDF, click PDF. It will show you like this. See this, sales, and twice we made a receipt. And both way you can go. You go home and click on reports, account statement, and type the company name. And here choose the period. Then what transaction, debit or credit, you can submit. Then you can download. You get the same screen again. So it will show you whatever recorded under that ledger. So if you want to get everything, including cash transaction, you have to go like this: address book, based on the address of the company, not based on the ledger. So same customer may have cash transaction, credit transaction. So you click in the customer name, click on PDF. So here you will find additional entries like this. See this one, you have a debit and credit, because we put as a cash transaction this one. That's why it's coming like this. Otherwise all ledger transaction all together you get in one screen. And the same method you follow for purchase also. Generate purchase invoice and make payment.